Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Workday account. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section right over here, type down Workday login and enter it after you're done. And from here, you can see the login help option of the Workday official website. Click over here and you'll get into an interface like this, and in the top right corner there's a profile icon over here. Click on that, and after that you have to scroll a bit down and click on the login help option. We have a lot of options from here. We could see the login to Workday Adaptive Planning, Workday Peak on Employee Voice, Workday Extend, or Workday Community. So you can pick any one you prefer, and you'll get into another page and where you are required with your email address as well as your password. So simply type down your email address, password as well. And if you have trouble signing in or if you have forgotten your password, also click on the option that says trouble signing in order to recover or reset your password. And if you want to remember you the next time you want to sign into your Workday community, you can click over here that says remember me. But if you do not prefer that, click back again. And after that, you can click on the continue option in order to sign into your Workday community. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.